so dark.
Is it?
You're good.
Alright, how's it going, guys? So today we're in the 4Runner. 4Runner has a burnt out O2 sensor, so we're running to Menards so I can grab a torch because I already took one set off. I have it right here. Yeah, I don't know exactly how it works.
I bet it will.
Really?
Go.
Oh shit.
Very good.
Okay. Alright, so I'm under. You guys can see up there is the headers. Right there's my cat, and this is the O2 sensor I need to get off. You can see I already took one nut off on the left. The right one is the one that's super stuck on. Flame is on that sensor. We're just heating it. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Alright, just grab me a different player. So just loosen up that nut that's on there. Is dangling. And now I just need to somehow finagle my arm up past the super hot transmission to unplug it. Alright, so new O2 sensor's going in. I gotta work over the tranny because that's where it needs to go. Tranny's right there, so I'm working like over it to plug it in. And this just goes right there, and then I throw it over the transmission. My new O2 sensor is all installed. And now we're gonna go give her a little test before work. My brand new O2 sensor is all installed. No more check engine lights, no lights on the dash whatsoever. So we're gonna go give her a test in Mexico.
Here, go.
What are you doing?